Hi parents, this is Priya Shetty. I am your friendly neighborhood speech therapist and founder of Ishwari Multi Speciality Rehab and Hold. Well, a lot of parents come and tell me कि हमारा बच्चा तो शैडो टीचर के साथ मेन स्ट्रीम स्कूल जाता है, तो इसको क्या जरूरत है पैरेलल स्कूल की? Honestly, parents tell me, how much is your child learning in spite of going with the shadow teacher? Well, there are honestly some kids who do learn, but most of them are going to school and coming back. That's just a part of their routine. And I ask parents कि पढ़ाई कैसे चल रही है? They are telling me, हम तो पढ़ाई के लिए नहीं भेज रहे, हम तो socialization के लिए भेज रहे हैं. Parents, please, school is not for socialization. School is for learning. Parks, playgrounds, some open space outside your home where the kids are playing together. That is for socialization. Your family functions and events, your family get-togethers, that is for socialization. If you want bonding, then you have to play with your child. That is socialization. Going to school is not socialization. Going to school is for learning. And let's keep it that way. So if your child is going to school with or without a shadow teacher and learning nothing, it's just a waste of 6 hours in school. Trust me, it is, because the thing is, we want our kids to be independent, right? A few years down the line, quite a few years down the line, let's say, when we are not around, we don't want our kids to be dependent on someone else. When I ask parents, what's your vision for your child, most of them tell me the same thing, that we don't expect our child to be a doctor or an engineer or an architect or a lawyer, but हम जब नहीं रहे तो वो खुद को संभाल सके. Now how is that possible if the child is not learning? For the child to be independent and functioning independently at even a later stage in life, the child needs to have basic academic skills like reading, writing, basic mathematical concepts. These are things that the child learns at school. Now if that is not happening at school, then where do you teach the child? So parents, let's make an informed choice, an informed decision. Let's take an informed decision for our kids. They cannot decide for themselves. And we as parents are responsible for making those decisions at this age. So think about it. Your child needs to learn at school. Your child needs to socialize in public places. Your child needs to pick up skills in therapies. And you need to choose the right people to do that. So don't send your child to school for socialization. Make sure that if your child is going to school, the child is learning. Now, what kind of school setup suits your child? For that, you need to speak to your child's pediatricians and therapists, everybody who's involved with the child, who knows what issues the child is facing. Sit with them, talk to them, try and figure out what helps. We are all here to help you. We are all here to help your child bloom, to progress in life. Now, for that to happen, you have to come and talk to us. When you talk to us, we can tell you that, okay, this kind of schooling should help. There are some kids who do wonderfully well in a mainstream setup without any support. There are some kids who can do very well in a mainstream setup with a shadow teacher. There are some kids who just cannot learn in a mainstream setup with or without a shadow teacher. There are some kids who probably cannot learn unless they are in a special school setup. So you really need to sit down and figure it out. And for what you want your child to do 15, 20 years down the line, the work begins now. The foundation needs to be laid down now. You cannot say कि मेरा बच्चा 15 साल का होगा तब सोचेंगे. You start now, and that's when you reap the benefits of it when the child is like 15 or 20 years old. So parents, please make informed decisions. Thank you.